and if you have any questions, you're welcome to ask.
Could you tell us a little bit more about Atisha, his life and his training and so forth?
Jidang kita Atisha da jidang da ngaran tu jabu ni lo yos tabeki tene gyushini number sanje be lobin chimbuchi re tene hagbar to tene da ngaran su tikba chimbuki ke re tene datso tambucha kong chungsde tene jagarap yod chune tanda de bangalai yul chune ane tene sene kongge tene 당보 네 릭백 네 텐줄라 다 차쟁게 텐데 슬롭존나 테네 림지게 테네 말한스 너무 선예베게 테네 추고 슈네 테네 단다데 지당 거기 테네 반은 사오르게벽 세지 임베 이나야 테네 게벽 세 이나야 테네 코와이 베나 게시 코에 차와 닝부메버 싱네 아니 김메버 랍도 주네 tene tuksen tene rajunze tene te jesula tene tanda zo tene gewishini mangbutembe nane tene labordo tene selling bag tundu jane tene chanjusem ke domba tensu yanta she tene te shegane sungdege tene zo tene tanda chanjusem rombuche tekbachembe chanjusem rombuche tene kombe nyamne ten zene tene kongne sonde tene rimbeke tene kadambeki tene jubat chune tene konge loma layang tene bena jagala samje mitema yore tene ko pöla pene tene pöla tene to tekba chembeki andana 저 tene chanjuk tanda kadambeki logdamasna tambo sa so tövn sebati tene atisha konge then choice agosuna tendesire tene banada jidang tosjamina tene tata namkite
Atisha is famous both in India and Tibet. He was born in Bengal in India, being a prince, that he became very sort of educated in all forms of science. Although that having born in a very rich family of a king, that seeing the meaninglessness of the samsara, that he actually obtained the very teaching. As we said, of course he has obtained many teachings from many bodhisattvas, but his main a particular teacher that he has obtained, that of the Mahayana or that of the mind training teaching, is from, as we said earlier, from Selingpa. And having obtained the teaching and transmission and that of the vow, then having practiced, he also transmitted it to many students and made that very practice famous in the part of India, and later actually, he is the one who again brought that very Mahayana, a tradition of this mind training, to Tibet and made it available to the Tibetans, what the teaching, what this practice known as the mind training practice of the Mahayana. So therefore, it is a very obvious or clear in this sense that he is very much responsible in the giving us this very particular transmission of mind training, and not only made it famous in India but also in Tibet, in all the form, all the tradition of the Tibetan Buddhism. So therefore, all tradition of the Tibetan Buddhism are very grateful in making such thing available.
You talked about supplicating your guru to visualizing Guru and supplicating to help you wake it up. So I was wondering if you're supplicating something outside yourself, and if you are, can something outside yourself help you wake up your own bodhicitta?
Tati kena lama ngoyo senda shen ma shen rane garabas. Tene 제단게 다다 yu shara le chubeke lama de kena ngi chizo komyati te chiek lama res. Tene nang lama te tene pena yu shara le chubeke tada sege yo lama res. Nang lama tönje lama te. Tönje lama te tene da rang sem da nisme ba chi zigo yo res. Tada tene tusum sanje tamje ngo che. Te indu kena chizo kombe kapsula tene shara le chubeke lama chi komde nani chiek lama res. Tusum sanje tamje ngo dani ma chi komne chiek lama res. Tönje lama res.
That really depends upon the
lama
whole
hoshin
idea how you look at the teacher or your guru and what form you look at him. If you think that the guru is someone who you know, who is the component of the blood, flesh and bone, then that is external guru. But guru in this sense is really that ultimate nature of your own mind, which is also the embodiment or the essence of the Buddha of 3 times. So therefore, how you visualize really matter of if you are visualizing that guru who is in the form of blood, flesh and bone, then you are just creating your guru separation between your guru and yourself. But the actual meaning of guru in Tibetan Lama in this sense is your ultimate nature of mind.
Nang lama.
Inner mind.
Inner guru. But still, you can visualize form of your guru, but not in the physical body or flesh body.